Using Outlook gift cards is a straightforward process that allows you to redeem them for various services and products. Follow these steps to make the most of your gift card. Step 1. Check the balance. Before using your gift card, check the balance to know how much you can spend. You can usually do this on the retailer's website or app where the gift card is issued. Step 2. Log into your account. Open Outlook and log into your Microsoft account. Make sure you are using the account associated with the gift card to ensure a smooth redemption process. Step 3. Navigate to the gift card section. Once logged in, find the section for redeeming gift cards. This is typically located in the account settings or billing section of your Outlook or Microsoft account. Step 4. Enter the gift card code. Carefully enter the code found on your gift card. Make sure to input it exactly as it appears, including any letters, numbers, or dashes to avoid errors. Step 5. Confirm and use your balance. After entering the code, confirm the redemption. Your balance will be updated, and you can now use it for purchases or subscriptions available through Outlook or Microsoft services. Now you are ready to enjoy the benefits of your Outlook gift card. Happy spending!